still remember the day that I met Durkee. It's been several years since that day. I'm home. Got some extra work today. I'm starving.
Welcome home! I'm hungry too.
You've got a lot of energy.
I just woke up!
Oh, a nap.
No, since I fell asleep last night at 3 a.m. Thanks for not waking me up when you left for work. Now cook something to eat.
Because Durkee usually sleeps a lot, cleaning ends up being my responsibility too. I don't have much free time, so I try to make as little mess as possible.
Again? I thought you already knew how to use the bathroom!
I must mark my territory!
She doesn't help with that either. Although, these days, I get more tired when she...
I'm coming!
If I don't take care of her, she'll never stop being annoying. It isn't a bad time, but she's kind of aggressive. Her tongue has spikes. I refuse to elaborate further. But still, I love her. Yeah, it's definitely toxoplasmosis.